Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a pipe cleaner ant. You will only be needing today one red pack. You'll be needing one strand of white and one strand of black. This is for the eyes. I've taught y'all how to make eyes in the past videos, but I'll also show you guys again today. So first things first, you're gonna start by taking 2 pieces of red. You're gonna cross them together like this. Make sure they're even and lined up at the tips. And you're gonna cross them together. You're gonna pinch it right here, make sure they're even, and you're gonna start twisting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you're gonna do the same thing at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're gonna stop here. And then you're gonna get one more red piece. You're gonna take it, you're gonna make sure you measure it so that it's even. Right at the center. Then you're gonna wrap 1, 2, 3. And then on the other side, 1, 2, 3. Since ants only have 6 legs, we will only be using 6 for the legs. And now, we're gonna take one more piece. You're gonna need about, I think like 5 more pieces after this. So you're gonna take a piece like this, about the length of your finger. You're gonna wrap around like that. And then towards the edge here, where the tip is, you're gonna wrap it around it. 1, 2, 3, until the sharp piece is gone so that it's not poking you. You're gonna take another piece. I want you to fold the tip like this and wrap around the tip so that it doesn't hurt you. Then you're gonna put that piece right here. And then I want you to start wrapping 1, 2, 3, 4, but don't go over the space here. And now I need you to listen very carefully to this part. In order to make the abdomen have space without having to use a lot of pipe cleaners, you're going to very gently wrap and not squeeze this so it doesn't compress. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then, since those 2 have been wrapped around, there's a little space in the center, so you can thread this through, just like that. And now that tip won't hurt you. And now I want you to fold this halfway, so it looks something like that. And this will be the thorax for the ant. You're gonna take this over the body, wrap it at the bottom, and twist. 1, 2, 3. Now I want you to cross the piece over here. 1, 2, 3. And it should look a little something like that. Now, I want you to wrap the last remaining pieces just around this to bulk it up a little bit. And when you have that little tip left over, you're just gonna thread that into the ant's thorax. Now, it's a little too long for an ant, so I want you to press it in just a little bit, like that. Now, you're gonna take this piece. We're gonna do the legs now. You're gonna have them all pointing upwards like this. So it looks like this. And then I want you to cross them down like this. Another one, another one. another one. Just like that. And then you're gonna take to around here for the first part. You're gonna run around it right back up and wrap that tip into the leg. You're gonna do that for the rest of them. I'm gonna go slowly for this first leg so that you guys can see him. Wrap this tip back up, pinch as you're wrapping, and wrap that corner sharp piece into the leg. Now we have the first two legs, and now we're just gonna completely do that for the rest of the legs. One leg, two legs. Three legs now. See how I'm wrapping that sharp piece in there so that it's not poking me. One more, or two more technically. Wrap this in there. One last leg. And there you go. Wrap that tip in there. And you have the legs now. We're almost there, guys. This wasn't that hard. This is an easy one. Now, we are going to take another piece like this. Just like this part, we're gonna take it. We're gonna do a round part like this. This one isn't gonna be as shaped like this, but more of a circle. So it's gonna look a little something like this. Except you see how I'm crossing a little bit out there so that there's still a little bit left so I can tie it over, just like that. Now you're gonna wrap it around very gently so that it doesn't hurt the build and it keeps that space in there. You're gonna take another piece, watch very closely here. I'm gonna wrap it around once, twice, and then I'm gonna take it over this piece right here, the middle. And I'm gonna take these two pieces, I'm gonna wrap it around. And then when I run out, but I have a little bit more, I thread it inside that circle. Now I'm gonna do it again with the other side. And then as you see, when I run out of this piece right here, I thread it back in. Now, we're gonna take one more piece. This one's gonna be a lot bigger. Just like this. You're gonna leave a little bit at the tip here. Don't cover the tip this time. Keep it there. Wrap this in a circle, or just wind it around all the way, making sure to be very gentle so you don't hurt the circle. You're gonna run out a little bit here. So you're gonna tuck that piece in here. You're gonna get another strand. And you're gonna wrap it around the rest of the head. And then once you come to the top, you're just gonna fill in the rest. Wherever you need spaces, wherever there's space. Now you're gonna form what I like to call the clay technique. You're gonna shape the head a little bit. So it looks something like that. just like that. Now, here comes the interesting part. You're gonna take your eyes, you're gonna take a piece of black. Actually, we're gonna start with the white. I want you to wrap it around like this into a little circle. And see how I'm always leaving a little bit of the point left over. You're gonna wrap around the point, and then you're gonna fold that point inward so that that edge isn't hurting you. You take another black piece, or your first black piece. This one you're gonna wrap a lot smaller into a circle, like that. And now, you're gonna thread this black piece through. Just like that. And it should look like this. Don't thread it all the way through. You're gonna take that black piece, you're gonna wrap it around once, twice. And then at this point, you can cut off the black piece. I just know how to wiggle it with my hands, but you can do it with with scissors. Now, you're gonna take this white piece and you're gonna cut it like this to around this length. And you're gonna thread it through that center. Now, you're gonna repeat this step. Wrap it around. Fold the white piece inward. Then take a black piece, make the circle smaller. So like that, I wrap it into a little thing. I take it, fold this piece inward, pop it up, and thread it through the white piece. Wrap this around. Cut that tip off here. I'm wrapping the black piece twice on the inside. And then you cut it. I just use my fingers, but you should use scissors. Safety scissors, kids, if there's kids watching this. Don't get me in trouble with your mom. Now you're gonna take this white piece, cut it to around here. And then, just like the other piece, you're gonna thread it through that hole. And you have your ant eyes. Now, for this piece, you're just gonna take a little bit of the red, and you're gonna do that. You're just gonna take it, wrap it like this, make it more of like a banana shape, twist around that sharp piece, take another one, wrap it around like that. This is where we're making the pincers here. Make the sharp piece, wrap around the sharp piece, and bring it like this. And you're gonna wrap it around the head once around, and then you're gonna wrap it around the talon, other talon, wrap it again. Lastly, you're gonna take two red pieces. I want you to cut them though. So you're gonna take about this much red here. You're gonna take actually half your red stick, cut it in half. And then I want you to take it like this, wrap it around the top. And then I want you to wrap it around once each other, once they reach the top together. And then style that tip here so that it looks like this. Lastly, you're gonna take that other half, wrap it around that tip that you left at the head, and bring it over here and connect it to the body. Wrap it around once, twice, and then you're gonna bring it back up through the top, wrap it around the neck and secure it. Push the head up a little bit, and you have your very own pipe cleaner ant. Thank you guys for watching. Come back for next time. Also, follow my new Instagram and TikTok that will be in the community center. Drop your comments, any questions that you have about this video, and any requests for what you want me to make next time. Thanks for watching.